Hello everyone, my name is Miggy. I'm from the Philippines and you have just reached TUTOr. TUTOr derives its name from a Tagalog word, túto, which means to learn or to become skillful. And from an English word, tutor, which means to teach or guide in a special subject or for a particular purpose. Having said that, this channel will include lessons, tips, and tutorials intended for ESL learners who want to improve their English skills. We will cover grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and other communication skills. And don't worry because we will do it in a way that even beginners will be able to understand easily. So if you want to study English with me, feel free to subscribe. Yes, that's right, that red button below. Also, if you want to receive notifications from us, don't forget to hit the bell icon just right beside the subscribe button. You can also type in some topics that you want to learn in the comment section. Let's continue learning English together in the next video. See you! Bye-bye!